I'd like to show you exactly why I'm urging you to start saving and investing as soon as you can. So I have pre-filled our retirement outlook calculator with information about a typical 30-year-old who's just getting started, so has nothing in savings yet, and they'd like to retire at age 65. Now I realize there are a lot of numbers on this screen, but we're just going to look at a couple of them for this example. We're going to look at their saving strategy. According to the assumptions, this individual is going to save 9% of their salary every year. That's their total contribution rate, and they're going to invest it in such a way as to achieve a 7% average annual investment return. Now the important number to note is that after 35 years of savings and investing, our 30-year-old has amassed a very impressive $794,000 final retirement plan balance. So that's their balance when they turn 65. Now, what would happen if our same future retiree had been fortunate enough to have met us 5 years earlier when they were 25 and they heeded our advice to start saving and investing? In other words, this person gets an extra 5 years to save and invest for their retirement, which at 9% a year is basically another $3,600 per year, or approximately $18,000 in total additional savings that they put in during those extra 5 years. So what does that extra $18,000 do to the final retirement plan balance for this saver, assuming they were to start at 25? So we'll put 25 in over here. $1,180,000. This is not a mistake. This is the power of compounding, what some people have actually called the eighth wonder of the world. Essentially, that turned that extra $18,000 into an extra $386,000 for just an additional 5 years of savings. Now, as wonderful as that is, the elephant in the room that you may have noticed is that our retiree is going to run out of money after just 9 years of retirement at age 74. Now, the good news is there's an easy solution to that problem, but we're going to cover that in a later video. For now, what I want you to take away from this example is how much more money you can have when you retire just by starting a few years earlier.